Hi, welcome guys. Now we'll solve a problem on V-belt drive. The question statement, a problem statement is like this. Select a V-belt drive to transmit 10 kilowatt of power from a pulley of 200 diameter mounted on an electric motor running at 720 rpm to another pulley mounted on compressor running at 200 rpm. The service is heavy duty varying from 10 hours to 14 hours per day and center distance between centers of pulley is 600 mm. This is the given problem. Now we must list out the given data as per the statement of the problem. Select a V-belt drive. It means we must design the V-belt. Means we have to find how many numbers of V-belts are required. That is N dash. Length of the V-belt. L is equal to question mark. Width of the V-belt. B is equal to question mark. Thickness of the V-belt. T is equal to question mark. And center distance, if he has not given, means we need to find center distance also. We'll see whether in the problem he has given center distance or not. Next, here it transmits, that V belt transmit 10 kilowatt of power. So power to be transmitted is 10 kilowatt from a pulley of 200 diameter mounted on an electric motor. So here motor is nothing but it is a driver which is rotating at a speed of 720 rpm. So N1 is equal to 720 rpm speed, and diameter of that particular pulley, that is smaller pulley or driver pulley, is 200 to another pulley mounted on compressor. So driver is a motor and driven member is compressor. So speed of the driven pulley N2 is equal to 200 rpm. This service is heavy duty varying from 10 hours to 14 hours. This is required while considering service factor that we'll consider later. And central distance between centers of pulleys is 600 mm. So central distance C, that is equal to 600 mm. This is all about the given data. We'll list out various formula or equations that is required to deal with this particular problem. So first unknown, we must find or we must design V belt. So length of the V belt L is equal to question mark. That can be obtained by using the equation in page number 295, equation 14.15b. That equation is L is equal to length of the V belt L is equal to 2c plus 1.57 into capital D plus small d plus capital D minus small d whole square divided by 4c. And here diameter, since central distance C is given, capital D is unknown, small letter d, that is diameter of the driver pulley he has given. Diameter of the driven pulley we are supposed to find. That can be evaluated by using the equation diameter of the larger pulley and the smaller pulley, that is capital D into N2, that is equal to D into N1. This is by using the equation velocity ratio. Velocity ratio is same, so pi d n by 60, that is equal to pi d n2 divided by 60. That equation we are supposed to use. So pi by 60 is going to get cancelled. Finally, we are going to get the relation capital D into N2, that is equal to small d into N1. From this, it is possible to get the value capital D. We'll substitute in equation earlier what we have noted, capital L is equal to, we are getting that particular value. Next, center distance C is equal to. Soon after finalizing the value of capital D and D, we are supposed to find correct central distance. That can be obtained by using the equation 14.15a, page number 295. Central distance C is equal to a plus square root of a square minus b. That relation we are supposed to use. And where a is equal to, we must use one more equation, that is capital L divided by 4 minus pi into capital D plus small d divided by a. This equation we are supposed to use. We are getting the value of capital A. Next, one more unknown is capital B. That can be evaluated by using the equation capital D plus small d divided by 8 whole square. Later we need to substitute these two values, capital A and B. We are getting the central distance C. And after that, we are supposed to find number of belts required N dash. That can be obtained by using the equation 14.14, page number 295. That N dash is equal to power P into K suffix S divided by kilowatt into K suffix L into Ka. This equation we supposed to use. We are getting the value of number of belts required N dash. Soon after listing out given data and formulae, now we'll move on to the solution. The first unknown, length of the wave belt L. So for this equation, we know capital L is equal to 2 into C plus 1.57 into capital D plus small d plus capital D minus small d whole square divided by 4C. We need to call this as equation 1 since here capital D is unknown. Now we must use the equation diameter of the larger pulley and the smaller pulley, that relation capital D into N2 that is equal to D into N1. We'll substitute the value capital N2, that is speed of the driven or compressor, that is 200, that is equal to small d, that is the diameter of the pulley mounted on electric motor, that is 200, into speed of that electric motor or driver pulley, that is 720. So capital D, diameter of the larger pulley capital D is equal to 720. Now we'll substitute this value in equation 1, that is substituting values in equation 1, we'll get capital L is equal to 2 into 600 plus 1.57 into 720 plus 200 plus 720 minus 200 whole square divided by 4 into 600. So we are getting the value length of the V belt capital L is equal to 2757 mm. That is the answer we are supposed to get. Soon after evaluating length of the belt V is equal to 2757. Now we are supposed to find a recommended nominal pitch length that is required for the calculation, that is L. Now by referring table 14.14, page number 314, by referring this particular table, in that for V belt, now that range power 10 kilowatt, that is 10 to 17, that range it is there. So we supposed to select belt C. Either we can go with the belt B also because of 14 kilowatt he has given. So I will prefer belt C. So that we need to select. For the power 10 kilowatt, selecting C cross section belt. Therefore recommended nominal pitch length for C type V belt nearest to value from table 14.17 page 316 is 2723. That is there in the third column, first column, second, third, fourth column. So now we are supposed to select that recommended nominal pitch length capital L is equal to 2723. That is required for the further calculation. Once we getting the value of a recommended nominal pitch length, now we are supposed to try to get correct center distance C. That is by using the equation capital C is equal to A plus square root of A square minus B. So call that as equation number 2. We'll evaluate the value of A, B first. So capital A is equal to L by 4 minus pi into capital D plus small d divided by 8. We'll substitute the value. Here L you have to substitute, not the exact length. The recommended pitch length you are supposed to substitute. That is 2723. So capital A is equal to 2723 divided by 4 minus pi into 720 plus 200 divided by 8. So we are getting the value capital A is equal to 319.466 mm. So now we must find the value of capital B. Capital B is equal to capital D plus small d divided by 8 whole square. That is 720 plus 200 divided by 8 whole square. So we are getting the value capital B is equal to 4225 mm square. Now we need to substitute these two values A and B in equation number 2. We are getting capital C is equal to 319.466 plus square root of 319.466 square minus 4225. We must use this values. So we are getting correct center distance is 633. In the problem, he has given earlier center distance is 600, but exact center distance just now we calculated, that we need to consider for the further calculation. Capital C is equal to 633. This is the correct center distance of said pulley drive. Now last unknown, that is number of belts required N dash, that can be evaluated by using the equation N dash is equal to P into K suffix S divided by K suffix W into K suffix L into K suffix A. We'll call that as equation number 3. Where K, now we need to find the correction factors, where k suffix s is nothing but correction factor for service, k suffix l is length correction factor, and k suffix a is arc of contact correction factor that we supposed to find, and also kw, that power rating that we have to find. Now in that first unknown ks, by referring table 14.19, page number 322, for heavy duty for 10 to 14 hours duty, we need to select the value ks, service factor or correction factor according to service. K suffix l is equal to 1.4. This value we have to get. After getting the service correction factor, now we have to find correction factor for length. Now by referring table 14.20, page 324, for length, here we supposed to consider nominal inside length, not the recommended pitch length. Nominal inside length we need to consider, that is L is equal to 2667 mm. So now by referring table 14.20, page 324, for the corresponding 2667, second column indicates A type belt, third column indicates B, and fourth column indicates C type belt. For the 2667, for V belt, correction factor for length is 0.94, that we have to consider. Soon after getting the correction factors k suffix s and k suffix l, now we have to find k suffix a, correction factor for arc of contact, by referring table 14.21, page 325. But in that particular table, we need reference as arc of contact. Once we have the arc of contact, then only it is possible to get the value of correction factor. So we'll first find out the arc of contact by using one of the fundamental equation. That equation, hope in the data handbook it is not there. If it is there, please check, please go through. That arc of contact theta is equal to 2 cos inverse of capital D minus small d divided by 2c. This is one of the fundamental equation. Therefore, theta is equal to 2 cos inverse of 720 minus 200 divided by 2 into 600. So we are getting arc of contact theta is equal to 128.64. Now for the corresponding arc of contact theta is equal to 128.64, by table 14.21, page 325, we are getting k suffix a is equal to 0.86. Nearest that to theta is equal to 130. So I took that value straight away. K suffix a is equal to 0.86. This we have to find. Soon after getting all the correction factors, now we have to find transmitting capacity kilowatt. That is by referring equation 14.1c, page number 295. Transmitting capacity kilowatt is equal to 2.01 into V raised to minus 0.09 minus 194.8 divided by DE minus 3.18 into 10 to minus 4 V square into 0.7355 V. Now we'll call that as equation number 4, since velocity is unknown and effective dia is unknown. Those two unknowns we are supposed to find. In that first unknown, linear velocity V is equal to this fundamental equation. Always linear velocity we need to consider for smaller pulley. V is equal to pi into d into n1 divided by 60, or V is equal to pi into diameter supposed to be in terms of meters. So 200 into 10 to the minus 3 into speed 720 divided by 60. We are getting velocity V is equal to 7.54 meter per second. Now only one unknown is left out, that is dE. After finding the velocity, now we must find effective or equivalent pitch diameter. Equivalent pitch diameter. By referring page number 295, one of the equation he has given, d suffix e is equal to d into k suffix d. Call that as equation number 5. Further, that k suffix d is small diameter factor that we have to get. By referring table 14.15, page 314, in that he has given the value of k suffix d for speed ratio or velocity ratio. So here velocity ratio is above 2.949, because here velocity ratio is n, that particular two speed 720 divided by 200, almost 2 3s 2 4s, around 3 point something value we are getting. For the corresponding, that is 2.949 and over. Therefore k suffix d is equal to 1.14, that we have to select and substitute this value in equation number 5, we are getting d suffix e is equal to d into kd, that is 200 into 1.14, or d suffix e or equivalent pitch diameter d suffix e is equal to 228 mm. After getting the value of d suffix e and v, now we need to substitute in equation number 4 to get kilowatt, that is the transmitting capacity of the belt drive. So kilowatt is equal to 2.01 into 7.54 raised to minus 0.09 minus 194.8 divided by 228 minus 3.18 into 10 raised to minus 4, 7.54 whole square into 0.7355 into 7.54. Soon after evaluating, we are getting kilowatt or transmitting capacity is equal to 4.45 kilowatt. Now we are supposed to substitute this in equation number 3 to get how many number of belts are required. N dash is equal to P into Ks divided by Kw into K suffix L into K suffix A. Now N dash is equal to 10 into 1.4 divided by 4.45 into 0.94 into 0.86. Therefore, N dash number of belts we are getting 3.89, or that is equal to 4. Finally, we must specify the V belt. It's a cross section, nominal top width and nominal thickness that we have to get. Now by referring table 14.14 page 314, here for C type belt that we already selected, for the power range, that is 10 to 70, that is range. So for the corresponding nominal top width, B is equal to 22 and nominal thickness is 14. This is all about the dimension, and here a small sketch also he has given in that what you mean by B and what you mean by T, and where to, from where to we